Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the app or file with the contacts you want. Tap Select or use Search to pick a handful, or choose Select All when you need everything. Make sure the source account is signed in and synced. This avoids duplicates later. Once done, look for Export, Share, or Copy options. Those are your action points. You're doing this now to create a transferable file or selection, because a consistent export format prevents errors during import to the destination. Now export and prepare the actual file or share action. Pick vCard if you're moving between phones, or CSV when importing to Google Contacts or Excel. If you use CSV, map fields like name, phone, email, and set UTF-8 encoding so accents don't break. Transfer the file using cloud storage, AirDrop, email, or a cable. If you're syncing accounts, confirm sync is complete. Once the file reaches the destination, you're ready to begin the import. This is the critical middle step that preserves data structure. Finally, import the file into the destination app or account. Use Import in Contacts or Google Contacts, choose the vCard or CSV, and map fields when asked. Once imported, immediately run the app's merge or deduplicate tool to avoid duplicates. You should manually spot check 10 to 20 entries to confirm phone numbers and emails landed correctly. If something goes wrong, re-export using UTF-8, try vCard instead of CSV, or verify account sync settings. Those fixes resolve most transfer issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.